I'm struggling to make videos at the moment because I've got so much going on. We've got work on Soy 7, which started today, and there's also work going on here at the Hacienda on the rooms for the ladies. A couple of things before I go ahead. This Wednesday, the 5th of February, here at the Assienda on Soy Chayapur, it's Big Fat Besties, Big Fat Party. Bestie's in town at the moment. I'm going to meet him for a quick beer tonight, but his party starts from 8 PM. There's going to be food, free shots, and probably Bestie doing his Bat Out of Hell version. So if you're in town, you can't miss that one. Alright, Dave.
How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
Okay.
What are you up to?
Nothing really.
This is Dave from Blue Bar.
Hello, Mr.
Do you want to give yourself a plug?
Welcome to the Blue Bar. Try up and
Or is it me, or is it getting more humid?
hot. Muggy.
Yeah, I thought that.
Muggy.
Good to see you anyway.
Thank you, mate. Thank you.
Oh, don't forget, Wednesday's Big Fat Besties party here.
Okay.
So we've got a big party on.
Big party, Assienda.
That's the one.
In the house.
Now, before I show you what's going on here at the Hacienda with the rooms, what I showed you last time, I recently, half an hour ago, popped down to Soy 7. As you know, I took over on Friday. We had Friday night, Saturday night and Sunday nights. I was up late till the early hours this morning because we had to move valuables out of there. But I've just popped down there and have a look at this now. We've completely gutted it. Well, mainly completely gutted it, but you won't see it taking shape, but you can see that it's being gutted. Have a look at this. This is PJDJ Bar, or was, shall we say, and they've started the gutting of the place. So what I'm going to do is I'll document it every time I see a little bit done. They're building a wall up here. This is the extension going in. Everybody's looking in amazement. What's happened? A piece of history. Podium gone. It's actually being rebuilt over here, so it's not in the entrance. I will keep you updated on the progress with Soy 7. I'm going to try and do a video probably every couple of days now. Nothing kind of special, just progress updates, because, you know, obviously I'm busy with these, so I'm struggling to get out to make any videos at all at the moment. So I might as well just show you the journey as we go along, which will be pretty interesting, pretty stressful, pretty interesting, see what goes wrong. And, you know, keep watching. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll take you upstairs here to show you the progress here at the Hacienda. Like I said before, it is only rooms for the ladies, floors 3 and 4. This one, which is going to be the second bar, is not ready yet. Obviously, we want to finish the rooms upstairs because of the rubbish coming through. Window out. This is the bathroom. This is our bit down here. We're going to make this into a garden and have, you know, up both sides. There could be a smoking area outside. Right, now we have light. This is the shower. Nice big shower. Obviously it needs all cleaning. No point in doing it yet. Then the landing here. These rooms are pretty small, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting there's 4 of these rooms like this, and we're going to put bunk beds in 2 of them. The women like staying together, and then I'll use 2 of them as wardrobes. So they've got closets. Solar pipes put in here for the room up the top. That'll be boxed in. I'm not sure what size this one is. And that's a decent size, so this one will probably be a bedroom. They'll have a bedroom, a closet, bedroom, closet. Sorry, Cap. And then you've got this room here, which will be quite a big room. Balcony. Out onto Soy Chai Poon. There's this big sign. Now the top floor. Got a garden out here, look at this. It's a bit rough, but this will make a great garden. So much potential with this building. I don't think they've started work on this one yet. No, they haven't. But this one, the top one here, this will be a nice big apartment. And I've just noticed I've got an aircon unit. I've got a toilet through here as well. No electricity up here at the moment, they're working on it now. So yeah, that's it for the rooms. That's the progress update here at the Hacienda on Soy Chai Poon. It's looking good. This is the builder, Joe. Joe, how's it going?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye. You lost your voice. Harlan Goldstein keeps inviting me along to cook some food. Shows me how to do things. Last time he did the steak, and this time he showed me how he makes his prawns. Check this out.
It would be very fun to have a visiting chef to be able to learn a few of the secrets and be able to prepare that at their home as well. So let's welcome today one of our most famous, flamboyant women in Thailand. And her name is, you want to take a guess what her name is? June! So thank God the hormone imbalance has settled me down. I'm very mellow now for the last 9 months. I stopped drinking and now the curse has gone to Jane. She's in her captain's hat, she has her pink wig, and today she's gonna learn how to make garlic prawns. Are you excited?
Yes, very excited.
All right,
now.
so let's go through the ingredients a little bit. In order to make this, you have the roasted peppers. It has a very good fiery smoke in it. And then what we do is we grind it with a little paprika, garlic, coriander, olive oil, and we use fresh garlic. We use chorizo sausage from Spain. These are the prawns. Lobster stock. Okay, lobster stock, you can make it at home very easy. Take some lobster head. If you don't have that, use some crab from the market. Cook it with a little bit of vegetables, celery, onion, carrot, tomato, inside basil, chili, salt, pepper. Boil it, blend it, pass it, and you'll have this very fantastic sweet flavor that adds that. You need a little bit of coriander, some Great Brittany sea salt, black pepper, and chili. So the process is very easy. Use a little bit of olive oil. Normally I like to give about 4 pieces to the appetizer. Are you taking notes? Are you watching? All right, good. You're not talking much.
Oh, yeah.
You're supposed to be crazy and wild, Jane. What happened to you? I mean, come on. I've given you everything. All right, add a little bit of this sea salt, okay? Add a little bit of black pepper. And now we want to have a beautiful garlic flavor to the dish. So don't be shy with garlic.
Oh, I love garlic.
Add a little bit of chorizo sausage. Then we're going to turn up the heat a little bit. Can you smell that already? And then we're gonna add our pepper, our roast pepper inside. And of course, some magic. Pattaya, fresh coriander. Just rip it, you don't need to cut it. You want to get all that flavor inside the dish. And you can see the prawns are cooking nicely, the chorizo's starting to melt. All that flavor is going to go inside. And now I'm going to use just a little bit of dry pepper and add the stock. And we're going to give it a little bit more heat. We want to cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes, and we want to just reduce everything to get the sauce of all that flavor inside, and that is going to be amazing. Now the prawns are cooked really well. The chorizo has melted, the garlic's in there, the pepper and everything. And I want you to try a little bit. Okay, it's hot. And tell me what you think of that.
Wow.
You're very quiet. You're wearing a pink wig and a captain's hat. What happened to you?
Wow. It's very nice.
Cool. All right, then what we do is, what I'm going to show you is that we serve it in a sizzling pan so that we keep it nice and hot. Okay, and here we go.
Say something.
You can taste the chorizo, the garlic, and then prawns.
How's it taste?
Lovely. Then prawns are really meaty.
Yeah.
Prawns cook good.
Can taste the garlic and the salt. But not spicy. Look like it's spicy, but it's not.
On the front here of the Hacienda, we're having new doors put in, shorter shutters. So there'll be shutter down there with a door there. So the staff can go directly up to their rooms, and then the bar there will be blocked off on the inside here. That'll be blocked off there, so the staff can just go straight up. So like I say, I'll be giving you updates. I'm going to try and get a video up every other day, show you the progress of things, how they're coming on, and anything else I've got going. Next video I'll probably talk about coronavirus, which I think there's a lot of fear going around about it. I don't think it's, if you look at the statistics, there's a 2% death rate, which is the lowest. It's even lower than the regular flu. So I don't know, I mean, people are telling me that they're not able to come out here because the jobs, and companies back in the UK, US, America, Australia, they're saying if you go to infected regions, then you've got to have an incubation period of 2 to 3 weeks when you get back, which is a bit silly because these countries have got it now as well. So I just, the mind boggles. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on Wednesday night for the big fat bestie party.